Honestly, it is disgusting in my car right now. I don't even know what even is this? Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now for today's video, interior. Over the past month or two, I've been really enjoying watching like 30-minute interior detailing videos. God, like honestly, you can tell how much of a fucking loser I am. Like no joke though, seeing a car go from an absolute shit tip to a scene from 50 Shades of Grey is so satisfying. So you know what? I decided to give my Corsa a good, proper, deep interior detail. Once I show you the interior of my car, sitting over there, like, I think I'm gonna lose about 10,000 subscribers, honestly. Right then, so let's unlock the car. Let's hop right in. I don't think I'm ready to get roasted. 3, 2, 1. Guys, I'm sorry. Hope you guys don't hate me. I can really read the comments.
This guy's a fucking pig.
Oh, I just touched the gear knob. I've known I'm going to do this video for a while now. So I've been letting the dirt build up in the car. Because you know those videos where people clean the interiors of clean cars? Like they do cleaning car interior, but it's already clean. You know what I mean? I had to put my hand in it again. 90% of the mess in this car was like either made worse because I was doing this video, or I don't know really. Well, it's just been 90% worse because I'm doing a video. Not gonna lie, all the rubbish is pretty much always there. It's not crazy bad, but we need to clean it. Look how beautiful it looks on the outside compared to the inside, of course. Look at this. Outside, inside. We're gonna sort that out today. So then, before I start, I'm no interior detailer. Before anybody jumps on my back for anything I do in this video, hold your bloody horses. Let's flip in, start this thing. First thing we're gonna do is take out all the rubbish, basically just empty this car. Then the next thing we'll do is we will hoover, and then, I don't know from there. You'll have to see. Let's go. Boy! Some liquid arse spray, common if you want it. Okay, so everything is out the car now that needs to be. After like cleaning out all the glove box, like just everything, I'd like sun cream in the glove box, and it's bloody winter. Other than that, you realise that you have a lot of you don't use in the car. And what this is me taking this out is actually weight reduction, bro. Honestly guys, look at that. I think in an upcoming drive with me, I go to the fish and chip shop, and I get chips with curry sauce. That's curry sauce for you, mate. This one's not too bad, this is my side, but this side, gross. So I've done the floor mats right now. They are right over there. They're just on the bins drying. You can tell that this is like a B-Tech detail. So while they are drying, we can move on to the actual interior of the car. And the next thing we're gonna have to do is hoover. Finally, we can say goodbye to Pink Panthers and all of that shiz. Honestly, I'm quite excited to do it because I've never done a proper hoover on my car. I used to when I used to be bothered. For a while, I haven't done it, and you can see there's like a build-up of leaves and stuff. But I mean, that down here don't look too bad. feels like my back is about to fall off. Don't know how it's about to fall off, but oh my god, how do people do this? Hoovering, check, done, boys. Okay, so here is the carpet now. Honestly, I think it looks really good. There is a few little specks, but that's because I just stepped in the car. Over here, look at that, it's nice. We give that little rubber bit a wipe down. There you go, looking clean as fuck, boy. Looking clean, boy. Nice. So I know that the next step that like detailers would do probably is the door jambs. However, they're already clean. I cleaned them this morning. Here they are. This one's a little bit cleaner, but still got a little bit of dirt on. So right now what we are going to do is we are going to do the interior, like all these bits. We're going to start off with maybe the cleanest bits, like the steering wheel, and then we're going to move on to the ugly bits like this. Let me actually quickly go get the products we're going to be using. So here are the products that we're going to be using. We're going to be using Finesse, Spirtz I think it is, and we've also got this total one which actually goes with that one. So you use this one first, I believe, and then you use that. What we've actually got for that is we've got this little brush. Now this is like £5 off Amazon for like 5 brushes, and they go from this size all the way up to like massive, which I use for the mats. These are actually really good. I prefer using these a lot more to just using cloths to wipe stuff down. Really excited to actually use these. They smell absolutely luscious. They smell like bubblegum. I've been a fan of Finesse for a while, but I've never bought their products. That makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? They just look so appealing. So, yeah. Anyway, let's start on the inside. Okay, so let's do this. So it is actually total and then Spirtz. I actually got this on a Black Friday deal for like £8 for both, which would usually be like £16 or something. So really cool. This smells beautiful. It actually smells so good. Like it's crazy. Smell of fresh car, that is. I don't know why I don't want to go at this, but it just looks so dirty. They're like, I don't want my brush touching it. I don't want to waste the liquid using it, getting rid of it. Honestly. Right, I've sprayed it on. Just gonna let it sit for just a second. That's a second. And now I'm gonna get this bugger off. We'll start up here first. I feel like one of those TV commercials. Wow, here's the before and after. Wow! It is actually the next day, and I'm not sure if I actually said, but I had to go pick up my sister from the train station, so I literally had to stop cleaning halfway. The next day, honestly, it is smelling lush in here. So I'm not sure where I got to, so I might miss parts, but I went over the car with the total, the Finesse total, all of it. It looks so nice now, and also I went over it with the Spirtz, which is a dresser, I believe. This smells like vanilla ice cream. It is the pengest ever. So I didn't want to not show you guys like completely, so I've actually put it onto here. So all I did was I sprayed it on there, wiped it in with a little microfiber cloth, and then I'm gonna dry it off in a sec. You can kind of see it's a little bit wet right now. The mats are looking fresh as fuck, boy. Look at that, and look at this. Still a bit of dirt on, but I mean, who the f gives a f? It's gonna get dirty anyway. That was a lot of F words. Sorry, guys. What we have left to do is obviously the glass. We'll do the tiny bits like the mirror, the glass, the thing. But yeah, without further ado, let's quickly clean all the little bits of the car, and then we'll get on with the big glass bits. Now, the glass is probably one of the hardest things to get like perfect, in my opinion. A lot of the times, you'll have like streak marks, and yeah, and we got sweet corn on the juice, like we got GoPro marks where I've put the suction cups and everything. So we've done the little bits like this, and honestly, it just looks like I'm looking through. It just looks like I'm looking out the back window. Look, honestly, look. Look at that. Now we're gonna move on to the worst part. It's the glass. Like, look how disgusting. This hasn't been cleaned in probably a couple months. It's got GoPro marks on. It's just because I use it so much for like sticking the suction cup like this one onto the front glass that there's no point of cleaning it. But I think it's time to do it. Honestly, this fucking mirror keeps getting in my way. Okay, I don't think you guys are ready for this. This is my car interior now. Play the montage. Stepping into here is like stepping into a bloody smell good farm. It just smells good. That's like sex for your nose, mate. Honestly, no joke. Sometimes I get a bit too excited over things. Yeah. The car is like nice now. It's probably the cleanest it's ever been, and that's no joke. Like, so obviously here's the door, and there's normally like mud marks all over there. You know, I did drive this yesterday, so it's getting a bit dirty. Here's the dash. You can literally have sex on here. That is how clean it is. No bacteria on there, trust me, guys. Floor mats aren't 100% perfect, but who's gonna flipping say anything about floor mats, mate? Did a little bit of dust on there. I really couldn't get them off. Yeah, that's my phone. Gear stick, no more toothpaste that I keep touching. I can fiddle with this as much as I want now. So hopping into the front cockpit, I'm actually sat over here, so I'm not really in the cockpit, but of this fighter jet. Steering wheel looks beautiful. Pedals, new. I didn't put any product on it because it might be slippy. I just wiped it. A lot of messing now, like a lot of little hairs, because it's bloody tree. Squaring up to a tree, mate. Lastly is the glass. Like, the glass looks really good. I cleaned the outside of the glass as well. There is a few streaks, not even gonna lie. I think these ones are a lot cleaner than the front because that one's just so much effort. But yeah, guys, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. I'm not sure how long this video was. I feel like it's gonna be quite a long one. Unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. I'm really happy with the outcome of the car. Subscribe if you are new and follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff if you haven't already. Anyway, guys, comment, turn up for a subscribe, just to let me know that you watched until the end of the video. Right then, guys, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you faces in my next video. Well.